Man, what you gonna do today?
I just wanna fuck bad bitches. For all them nights I never had bitches. Now I'm all up in that ass, bitches. Mad at your boyfriend, ain't you?
What you gonna do today, man?
So today we're gonna have some unboxing video. in our house
Unboxing
because-
video, what a nice.
So as we can see right here, come here. This thing is wrecked. Ooh, man.
There's a Coca-Cola. Oh, what a nice refrigerator, dog. Is that your refrigerator?
Yeah, it's my refrigerator.
Oh, let's see.
Look at it. There's something living inside, dog.
Oh, there's a ripe papaya here.
Yeah.
You what?
This thing. What is
Whoa,
that?
what?
That's a dead spider, mate.
Look at that refrigerator, dog.
Better shut this up.
Can you
dog.
not buy anything, dog?
I have.
For me,
You know,
I will say to you.
I have a smaller one. But Condura.
But Condura, whoa! Let's unbox your new Condura! Oh, whoa!
Oh, man.
Oh, look at that!
Oh man. How?
Wow! It's up in the ceiling, dog! Is that your brand new refrigerator?
Yeah.
You need to cut that because
We
it's
have no choice.
no choice.
Okay, dog.
Oh, yes! What a feel! Your new refrigerator. It's a Condura, dog.
What do you say about this? dog?
Whoa! What a nice freezer.
We have something. It's an ice scraper. Used for scraping some ice. That's
Okay. That's the freezer.
Okay. Oh man. It's a brand new.
Set it up. That there.
Oh,
Whoa!
man. What?
You almost cracked that, dog.
Yeah. Alright.
Right.
Okay.
Lower door.
Lower door.
Oh.
Oh
wow,
man.
nice.
It's huge.
Huge,
And it's
dog.
cold.
They're called Condura
Portion control.
This is a tray. 1, 2, 3, 4. What a very big tray.
Cellophanes though.
Egg tray. Okay.
Nice and firm. Nice and firm.
It's a butter and cheese tray.
You know, if you look at it, pretty cool, man. It's nice.
Whoa.
And they have this holder so that anything you put in here fall.
Let me see the name.
Jars and barrels.
Okay.
So you'll put jars.
So we'll put there.
Okay.
That.
Okay. It's cool. Oh man, it's a
That'll-
glass. What's nice here is it's a glass, though.
It's a pure glass, though.
Yeah. It's pure glass. You must take care of it. Next is to set up these.
Oh, you're so short, man. Your refrigerator is very
Yeah.
tall.
As you can see, though. Okay, yeah. It's a huge unboxing video, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very huge.
Can't tell that this is such a...
What I like here the most is the double door, upper and lower door. Very elegant and very nice to look.
This could be our surprise to our cook.
Yeah.
Crazy boy.
Crazy boy, dog.
Don't make him crazy because he is already crazy.
I just wanna
Here
fuck
it is, the
bad
user's
bitches.
manual.
For all them nights I never had bitches. Now I'm all up in that ass,
Ice cube
bitches.
maker.
Mad at your boyfriend, ain't you?
Vegetable.
Vegetable box stuff. I can even put my head.
Yeah.
Oh man. I'm terrified that this glass might fall. Okay. I think we're done with the setup. You have to put it in your exact location right
Okay.
here.
So let's put it there. So we'll cut off this video, guys. So that's the unboxing of the brand new Condura refrigerator.